Guys, we are looking for the cat we found yesterday. और हमें guys वो cat मिल ही नहीं रही.
It's a good morning, lovely weather.
Lovely weather,
Sunny
guys.
outside.
Love the greenery in this
We are going
property,
to
guys.
have our breakfast now.
हाँ guys, अब हम breakfast के लिए जा रहे हैं. आपको एक छोटा सा tour भी हो जाएगा.
Yes.
आपको कैसी लगी property?
Nice. Lots of greenery.
Lots of greenery and like it's pretty spacious. And ये actually जहाँ हम पहले रह रहे थे पर्रा में, that was like थोड़ा in the main city जहाँ पे सारे most of the restaurants and cafes and सारी चीज़ें हैं. This is little in the outskirts in Mandram region. But guys ये इतना अच्छी जगह है ना. मतलब कल हम स्कूटी राइड करके आ रहे थे and we saw beautiful sky, एकदम orange sky. और मतलब इतनी सुंदर streets, दोनों साइड coconut trees, lush green trees. Very peaceful. 31st is like going so good. From the time we woke up, अभी तो कुछ ज़्यादा टाइम हुआ नहीं है, but it's a peaceful day. Okay, this is the spa, guys. तो अभी guys हम breakfast के थोड़ी देर बाद हमने spa बुक करा है, couple spa, so we're gonna go there. That is the breakfast, no? Breakfast area over there. I think this is a little games area. है ना? ये वाला इधर pool table है. We'll go from there. This is the little games area, guys. इधर pool table है and अंदर I think ये थोड़ा सा इन्होंने open bar type setup बनाया है. And that, guys, is the place where we're going to have our breakfast. So guys, we're having our breakfast. It's idli, vada, sambar, chutney, and after this हम कुछ और try करेंगे. And here's Shubham.
Good morning.
Still sleepy.
Yeah, I'm still sleepy right now.
So guys, here is our breakfast. Shubham ने लिया है gobi parantha. We'll share of course gobi parantha. Tomato rice, veg sandwich. और इधर हमने एक उनका local dish try करा है, which is this is the poi bread with मटर मसाला and hash brown, egg and some porridge. Let's start our breakfast.
Yeah.
So guys, we are at the spa. Let's go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So guys, we are at Tatwa Wellness and we have come here for couple spa. But guys, beautiful property. I would definitely recommend this property. Guys, so we are ready for a couple spa.
Yay.
Yay! Are you excited?
Yes, I am excited. Let's see.
So guys, look at the vibe of the spa room. It looks very relaxing and very nice. My boo-boo relaxing.
ऐसा लग जैसे स्काई जंप करने वाला हूँ. Beautiful area, yaar.
Beautiful area.
So guys, we are done with our spa.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
We're done with our spa and it was a very, very relaxing time.
Yes, yes.
Maza aa gaya, guys. Literally
Enjoyed it.
enjoyed it.
60 minutes was amazing.
Yes. And हमने कौन सा मसाज किया था?
We took the Swedish massage. After that, we took the steam, and then we took the shower.
Yeah. And
Amazing experience.
it was very
As you
relaxing.
can see, this place is amazing.
Yes, guys. Amazing place. And we're
Maza aa gaya.
rejuvenated to start our new year.
Yes.
So guys, we're having our herbal tea after the spa. Just relaxing on the 31st. So right now we are having our lunch. We've ordered chicken tikka, pizza, a mini pizza and a few drinks here. And today we are just in the room having our lunch and relaxing.
Yes.
क्योंकि अभी शाम को we will be going for the New Year party here, the New Year celebrations in the resort. तो हम आपको वहाँ मिलेंगे. So अभी हमने सोचा कि हम थोड़ा सा relaxing time रखें अपना in our room.
Yes.
We are ready for New Year celebration.
Hello, hello.
So guys, we are all dressed up for the New Year's celebration here. So हम resort में ही रहेंगे. That is what we decided for New Year's because we wanted it to be just relaxing and बाहर जाकर बहुत ज़्यादा traffic वगैरह मिलता है and बहुत ज़्यादा chaotic हो जाता है. तो हमने ये सोचा कि हम आराम से resort में अपना New Year celebrate करेंगे ताकि थोड़ा calm रहे, थोड़ा सा chaotic ना हो and we can just enjoy our night.
Yes.
And luckily जो resort में हम रुके हैं वहाँ पे they have New Year celebration का
Guest
performances,
dinner,
dinner, and they have a lot of events there. I think
Yes.
singing events, dancing events,
Musicians also
are
coming.
there.
This
तो
DJ
काफ़ी
also.
इन्होंने preparation करी है for New Year's. So we're going to attend the New Year's function now in our resort, and I'm very hungry. मुझे जाकर सबसे पहले I want to eat something.
Yes.
But you can check our outfit for New Year's. And I am dressed all in black. I'm just wearing a black dress with my bag, keeping it very simple and casual with some minimal jewelry. And Shubham is wearing white. And this is our outfit for New Year's. See you there, guys.
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year.
very good morning to all of you. Happy New Year's. Yeah.
And guys, we are boarding our flight back to Delhi. And अभी हम lounge में आए to have some breakfast. So we're going to have some breakfast here, guys. And we have 1 hour of waiting. तो हम 1 घंटा वेट करेंगे, थोड़ा ब्रेकफास्ट करेंगे and उसके बाद we leave for Delhi.
Yes, we woke up around 4:15 something. We packed our bags in the morning and then we left.
तो
Our cab
guys,
was scheduled for 5 a.m.
हाँ, हम बहुत sleep deprived हैं.
So yes,
तो-
yesterday party करके New Year's की. So finally, yes, we are going back to Gurgaon and we will be reaching soon. Hopefully, the weather is good.
Yeah.
Not expected that much. I mean, like, but हाँ थोड़ा बहुत धूप निकल जाए, so it's a good thing,
Yes, guys.
right?
Let's see
so
you.
let's hope that we land safely and everything is good.
So guys, we have got our coffee. Shubham is having cappuccino and I am having cafe latte. And waiting in the lounge.
Hello guys, good morning. Feeling fresh.
Good morning guys. आज I don't know how Shubham ज़्यादा ही energetic है morning में, but I am not energetic at all because we were very tired guys. हम कल I think रूम में आते आते हमें 1:32 हो गया था एंड फिर मेरी नींद खुल गई थी 3:15 ही. ऑल्दो मेरा अलार्म 4 बजे का था बट मेरी 3:15 नींद खुल गई थी. एंड फिर उसके बाद हमने सुबह 4 बजे पैकिंग करी है और 5 बजे निकले हैं. मुझे तो आज बिल्कुल एनर्जी नहीं है गाइस. पता नहीं ये कैसे इतना एनर्जेटिक है.
Good morning. It's New
But-
Year's.
Hopefully guys, coffee should help. So guys, here is our breakfast with coffee. So we'll start with watermelon because we wanted to have some fruit, and then we have some South Indian breakfast, vada and idli, and some potato wedges and chicken sausages. So let's get our day started.